see how the woman trying to pay that soul? You must have a fucking rock. You wicked bitch. Right now you can't make live. Your finger head burning in your house. Study that. Push your hand in your bamsi and keep it tongue out my mouth. Tongue out my mouth. All of them who run America and run London and want to buy talk Trinidad. Right now, all your mother cunt, the Lord the wipe a pandemic. That all you can't come home. Stay there. Stay there. So you're going to do your dirty place. I just want the right people to come in. You, Texas Turkey, you stay there. Go back and ball. Trump for another 4 years. Stay right there. Let's know. By kill you. Stay right there. By the time you come down from, by the time the board, I done gone tweet to Prime Minister Rowley already. I spoke to Prime Minister Rowley and Mr. Rowley give me the okay. Okay, because it's not Stuart Young had to do it, it's me had to do it. I had to open the borders. You understand? I had to open the borders, nothing. And I will bring in everybody else who want to come in. But you see, you Texas Turkey, you have to stay right there, bitch. When you come back here, you must fucking freeze. Let the coldness eat out your brain. And right now, I watch now, you know when it's winter, all your hair on your skin does fall off. Your fucking hair might be thin. Right now, where it's winter, your hair thinning away. Right now, your hair falling out. When you watch your hair that just melted your head, all the hair on your skin has fucking die. Right now, your hair in your head melted out where that cold is. Nobody can tell you about it. I know. Me live in the cold. You understand? Okay, do it. You should come in here. Right now, all the hair on your skin there, right now, you just had one wish. You wish you was in your country. Oh God, I wish I was home, yes? And normally you just come and get your boost, you know, every year you come for Christmas or your carnival, you get like a month or something, that charge back your battery. And you go up again, and you spend 5 months or 6 months, and as your battery run down, you come back in the hot sun is recharged. That recharge. The bitch fucking battery running empty. It take you no charge. It take you to come in no time. And I'm not opening the border for you. You stay out the country, your spirit heavy. Hello, you. I don't like your spirit. You stay out the country, you're blind. Stay out the country. As you come in this country, Corona come. Stay there, stay so. Hello, you. I don't like your fucking spirit. Stay out this country and don't come here. Right. We don't want you here. You stay out the country. Stay there. Stay there and boast on Trinidad people as though Trinidad people don't have a best life. And talk because the economy might not be as rich as America own and figure we fucking we catching we royal mother country, we so down and out and we so worse out of all and put we under the ground. And now where you have all your money, you're walking hard like a dog. Nobody is jealous, yeah? Nobody is jealous, nobody who live in America live in a big house and have a